One more problem from circuits. Here, find the power of the point P minus 1 comma 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. We have to find power of the circle, power of the point P minus 1 comma 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. You see, suppose this is the circle and this is the point P. This circle equation S is equal to 0 and this is the tangent and this is the secant. This is center of the circle. So, this cuts the 2 points A and B. Then what is the power of the point? Power of point is equal to PA into PB is the power of the point. PA into PB is the power of the point. This S11 is equal to PA into PB is the power of the point. We have to find power of the point as S11. Okay, all of you. So here you see given circle equation, that is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0, and given point P minus 1 comma 1, then power of point P with respect to circle S is equal to 0 is S11, implies S11 is what? That is minus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square. This is x1 y1 and minus 6 of minus 1 plus 4 of 1 minus 12. This is minus 1 whole square, 1 plus 1 plus 6 plus 4 minus 12. 10. This is 2. 12 minus 12 equal to 0. So this is the power of the point. Okay, all of you. Power of the point S11 is equal to 0 means what? The point is on the circle. The point is on the circle. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. One more problem from circles. Find the value of k if the points 1 comma 3 and 2 comma k are conjugate with respect to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 25. So here we have given the circle and given 2 points. We have to find the value of k in given points. So k is there, then these 2 points are, and also given these 2 points are conjugate to each other. Conjugate to each other means S12 equal to 0. That is, here this is the circle equation, this is the point P, and this is the tangent, this is the tangent. This is the polar equation, center. And this point, this is the Q point. Here, these two P comma Q are conjugate points. Conjugate points. Then S12 is equal to 0. If 2 points are conjugate, S12 is equal to 0. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Then we say these 2 points are conjugate to each other. Let given circle is x square plus y square is equal to 25. Then x square plus y square minus 25 equal to 0. Given points is what? 1 comma 3 and 2 comma k. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Then this is P, this is Q. P comma Q are conjugate. That is, this is given. Then what? This is, this is S is equal to circle S12 equal to 0 implies S12 x1, x into 1, that is 1 into 2, 1 into 2 x1 plus y1 3 into k minus a square 25 equal to 0. This is 2 plus 3k minus 25 equal to 0. 3k minus this is 2 minus 25 23 is equal to 0. 3k is equal to 23. K is equal to 23 by 3 is the k value. Is the k value. Okay, all of you. That's all. One more problem from circle. If the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus a equal to 0 has a radius 4, then find a. So here you see given circle equation s is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus a equal to 0 is the given circle equation. Then what is given? Here you compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then here 2g is equal to minus 4, g is equal to minus 2. 2f is equal to 6, f is equal to 3 and c is equal to a. Then what is the radius? R is equal to root over r square plus root over g square plus f square minus c is the radius of the circle. Then you have to substitute here, but r is equal to given, r is equal to 4, this is given. Then 4 is equal to root over g square minus 2 whole square plus f square, f is equal to 3, 3 whole square minus c, that is minus a square on both sides. This is 16, 4 square, 4 whole square equal to, this is 4 plus 9 minus a. 16 is equal to, this is what? This is 13 is equal minus a. Minus a you can take into this side. Minus a is equal to 16 minus 13, that is 3. Minus a is equal to 3 implies a is equal to minus 3. So what is the value of a? A is equal to minus 3 is the answer. Here find the equation of the polar 1 comma minus 2 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 equal to 0. So here you see circle equation is given, point is given. We have to find polar equation. Polar equation, that is S1 is equal to 0. Okay, all of you. So here given circle equation, that is x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 equal to 0. Let us, this is s is equal to 0. Then given point p 1 comma minus 2, this is x1 y1. Then polar equation, let s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Point p x1 comma y1. Polar is what? S1 is equal to xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c equal to 0 is the polar equation. This is the formula for polar equation. Okay, all of you. Then here we have to substitute this one. S1 is equal to x1 into 1, x into 1. Okay, x1, y1, y into plus y into minus 2, minus 5 into, this is x plus x1, x plus 1, this is minus 5 into y minus 2. Y minus 2 plus 25 equal to 0. This is S1 is equal to x minus 2y minus 5x minus 5 minus 5y. This is minus into minus plus 10 plus 25 equal to 0. S1 is equal to x minus 5x minus 4x minus 2y minus 5y minus 7y. Okay, minus 7y. Here this is plus 5, this is plus 30 equal to 0. Therefore, this is 4x plus 7y minus 30 equal to 0 is the polar equation. Polar equation. This is equation to the circle. To the circle. Okay, all of you? One more problem from circles. Find the length of the tangent from minus 2 comma 5 to the circle x square plus y square minus 25 equal to 0. Here we have given the circle equation and point is given. So we have to find length of the tangent. Length of the tangent. Here you verify minus 2 whole square plus 5 square. Minus 2 whole square, this is 4 plus 5 square 25, 25 plus 4 29. 29 is greater than 25, then it is the outside the circle. Okay, all of you, here you see this is the circle, this is the point P and this is the tangent Px1 comma y1, and this is the center of the circle and this is the C, center of the circle, this is PQ. This is the right angle. So PCQ is the right angle triangle. CP square is equal to CP hypotenuse, CP square is equal to CQ square plus PQ square. Okay, here PQ is the length of the tangent. Length of the tangent. Okay, length of the tangent. Then we have to find this PQ, and C is the center of the circle, P is the given point, and CQ is the R, radius of the circle. Okay, all of you. Then given circle equation. Given circle equation. What is that? X square plus y square is equal to 25. S is equal to. Here R is equal to 5 and center of the circle is 0 comma 0. First you have to find and given point Px1 comma y1 is equal to what? Minus 2 comma 5. Then you have to find Cp. Cp square is equal to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Cp square, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Then minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 0 whole square plus 5 minus 0 whole square is equal to 4 plus 25 is equal to 29. So Cp square is equal to 29. Okay, all of you, Cp square is equal to 29 and the radius of the circle. Radius R is equal to, this is x square plus y square is equal to R square. R is equal to 5. R is equal to 5. This is equal to 5 square. R is equal to 5. This is equal to CQ. CQ. So CQ square is equal to 25. That is 5 square is the 25. Then what is the PQ is the length of the PQ is the length of tangent. PQ square is equal to CP square minus CQ square. CQ square PQ square is equal to what is CP square? 29. 29 minus 25 is equal to 4. That is PQ square is equal to 4. PQ is equal to 2 is the length of the tangent. Therefore, length of the tangent Length of the tangent is what? Length of the tangent. Length of tangent PQ is equal to 2 units. Okay, 2 units. Okay, all of you, that's all. Here we have one more problem from circles. Find the length of the chord formed by x square plus y square is equal to a square on the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So here we have given the circle equation and chord equation is given. We have to find the length of the chord of the circle. So here you see this is the circle and this is the chord PQ. PQ is the chord of the circle, the center of the circle. C. So this is L and we have to find this is CM. So length of the chord, this is the right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle and this is also one of the right angle triangle. M is midpoint of PQ. Then PM plus PM is equal to 2PM. Okay, we have to find this length. After the double it, then we will get the length of the chord PQ. So here you see given circle equation. Given circle equation x square plus y square minus a square equal to 0. Center of the circle 0 comma 0. Radius is a. So this is the radius of the circle. Center of the circle 0 comma 0. CM is the perpendicular distance from C to M. Perpendicular distance from C to line L. Line. Given line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p is equal to 0. That is CM is equal to perpendicular distance. 0 into something 0. 0 minus p by root over cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to p. This is the perpendicular distance. So here PM square is equal to what? This is the hypotenuse CP square minus CM square. So PM square is equal to what is CP square? Radius of the circle. This is A. That is A square minus CM square P square. PM is equal to, this is root over A square minus P square. Then length of the chord. Length of the chord is 2PM is equal to 2 into root over A square minus P square is the length of the chord. PQ is equal to PQ is the length of the chord. Okay, all of you, that's all. That is length of the chord is 2 into root over A square minus P square is the length of the chord.